Hey everyone, welcome back to channel the 2025 Hyundai. If you're thinking about getting a new car, this review might just help you make up your mind. We'll be covering everything from the design, features, performance, and some key aspects that might influence your decision. Let's start with the exterior design. The 2025 Hyundai comes with a sleek, modern look. The bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and smooth curves give it a premium feel. It's compact yet stylish, making it perfect for city driving, but also looking great on the highway. Now, moving inside, the interior of this car really stands out. Hyundai has nailed the balance between luxury and comfort. You get leather seats, a large touchscreen infotainment system, and easy-to-use controls, which give you a premium experience. There's plenty of space as well, both in the front and back, making long trips or daily drives super comfortable. When it comes to driving performance, the 2025 Hyundai doesn't disappoint. It offers smooth acceleration and responsive handling, thanks to its powerful engine options. Whether you're driving on the highway or navigating through the city, the suspension system works well to provide a smooth ride. There are also a lot of tech features to talk about. Advanced safety features like lane assist, parking sensors, and adaptive cruise control make driving not only more convenient but safer as well. It's nice to see a car that focuses on both comfort and security. And speaking of efficiency, the mileage is pretty impressive too. Hyundai claims their new engine options are fuel efficient, so you can expect great mileage, whether you're on a daily commute or going for a long drive. So, to wrap it up, the 2025 Hyundai is a car that checks all the boxes. It's stylish, comfortable, packed with features, and reliable. If you're looking for something modern and efficient, this car is definitely worth considering. Let me know what you think about the 2025 Hyundai in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you've got any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, drive safe.